Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. And today we are going to discuss some examples from exercise from the chapter Chemistry in Everyday Life. Chapter number 16, Chemistry in Everyday Life. We study or we solve the examples from exercise which we have covered in our video lectures. So now listen. This is the question number 4. Give two differences between the following. We have to solve, or we have to write down the 2 point of differences between disinfectant and antiseptic. We studied in the video lectures the compounds with medicinal properties. Under the heading compounds with medicinal properties, we studied various compounds having medicinal properties, and disinfectant and antiseptics are also from them. So what are the differences between here? Only two differences are asked. So differences between disinfectant and antiseptic. We studied earlier that disinfectants are a group of non-selective antimicrobials, and antiseptics and disinfectants are the first point is disinfectants are the non-selective antimicrobials, and antiseptics are used to sterilize the surfaces of living tissue. And in case of the disinfectant, second point is it is applied on non-living surfaces. Disinfectants are applied on non-living surfaces like floor, sanitary ware, instruments. But in case of the antiseptics, these are applied on the living tissue like wounds or during surgery. So these are the 2 points of differences between disinfectant and antiseptics. Here also examples are given. We can also write down the 1 point as an example. Here the four structures are given. First is the chloroxylenol. The chloroxylenol is the best antiseptic. 2,4,6 trichlorophenol, it is also a antiseptic. These two antiseptics are used in very they are in very common use, or they are very commonly used. And next is the thymol, is also a best antiseptic, and parachloroalthobenzyl phenol is a disinfectant. The various we studied that the various derivatives of the phenol, that is chloro derivatives of phenol, are used as a antiseptics and disinfectant. So now next question, it is the one MCQ from exercise. Aspirin is chemically named as. We know that the aspirin is the acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. So its name is B number option, that is acetyl salicylic acid. Next question number 6. Name the two drugs which reduce body pain. We studied that the drug which reduce the body pain are called as analgesics. The word analgesics means the drug which reduce the body pain. And here we have to answer the name the two drugs. We know that the aspirin, salicylic acid, here the salicylic acid, aspirin, these are the drugs which reduce the pain. Also paracetamol is also a best and common drug which reduce the pain. So now next question number 9. What is meant by the broad spectrum antibiotic and narrow spectrum antibiotics? We know that the antibiotics are classified, or there are three types of the antibiotics: broad spectrum antibiotics, narrow spectrum antibiotics, and also a limited spectrum antibiotic. But here we have to answer only two types, that is broad spectrum and narrow spectrum. So what is the meaning of broad spectrum? Broad spectrum means the antibiotics which is effective against a wide range of the bacteria. And narrow spectrum antibiotics means these are the antibiotics which is effective against a particular group of the bacteria. So now next question number 10. Answer in one sentence. We have to answer these questions in only one sentence. These questions ask for 1 mark. A number. Name the painkiller obtained from the acetylation of salicylic acid. We know that, and the answer is aspirin, because aspirin is the acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. Next, B number. Name the class of the drugs often called as a painkiller. We know that the drugs which are used as a painkiller are called as analgesics. The class is analgesics. Next, C. Who discovered penicillin? Everyone knows that penicillin is discovered by the Alexander Fleming in 1929. Now next question. Write the molecular formula and the name of this compound is. What is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is aspirin. It is the acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. So here we have completed all the questions from